What's up guys, we're back in another video. Tonight we're gonna head down to Center City, Philadelphia and see how much of a ghost town it is with this COVID-19 pandemic going on.
Yeah, we'll go see what it's like. Go have a little bit of fun in an empty city.
Let's go. Yo.
Yeah, I'm here.
Where'd you park at, down below?
Yeah, I can't even park that in the parking lot. I can't fit through the turn, so I'm like...
Alright, we'll be right down. Alright. No car alarms. Should've came in the parking garage. What up, bro?
It's good. I don't think it'll fit.
You might. How you gonna pull up with that wearing those?
You already know.
That's true though, that's true. If you ain't crocking, you ain't rocking.
Why are we making a left here?
I gotta get gas.
Oh, we're going down now.
That's a write-off. Got you. And they have it blocked off. You can't even pull over right here.
Everything's blue.
Yo, we could hear you like 5 minutes before we saw you. That's crazy. Bro, what is done to this truck?
Every single thing you could think of.
That is so true. This thing is insane. We stopped at the first location. We're at the Philadelphia Art Museum. We're about to head downtown, which is right behind me. We're gonna see much of a ghost town it is down there and try to get some rolling shots and some B-roll for you guys. So obnoxious. It worked. And we still got time. That pothole made my traction control just kick on. That really just put the car in limp mode mid-pull.
Should I stay recording? Put me in my seat.
My seatbelt's locked up, I don't know why. Alright guys, I think that's it for tonight's video. Everyone dipped out, it's almost 3 a.m. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more content. Peace.